The German Jews, we lived in Tel Aviv, in the apartment that my parents rented, in the north of Tel Aviv, which was the Tzafon, where a lot of Yekes lived. Yekes was the nickname for German Jews. And all of our friends, and my parents' friends, were former German Jews. There was a separation between us and the Yishuv. The old Yishuv are the earlier immigrants, mostly from Eastern Europe. And the German Jews were very snobbish and looked down their nose on East European Jews. And Yiddish was never spoken by any of the German Jews. I learned Yiddish, but I'll get back to that when I came here.